Days of the week.
Hi, this is Heather from firststepreading.com. For today's video, you will need the sentence for July 23rd. The date that I describe in the video is just an example. It will help us learn the days of the week and the months of the year and the seasons, but you do not have to watch this video on that particular date. Okay, so let's get started. How many months are in a year? Do you know, Haley? 12. Let's say them together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the 12 months in a year. Today we're talking about July. If you have this paper, you could take it out now and you circle July, because that's the month we're talking about. July comes after June and before August. Okay, now let's figure out what date it is. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. What's the next number? 23, which is a 2 and a 3. Now let's figure out what color our 23 is. Our pattern is an ABC pattern. Black, red, white. 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 Black, red. A red 23. So we would say today is July 23rd. That's how we say it. July 23rd. Okay? 23 comes after 22 and before 24. And you say July 23rd. Now if you have this paper, you can take it out, the days of the week, because we're going to do that next. Okay, so our letter of today is I. What sound does a short I make? I, I. Like iguana, igloo, it, right? And a long vowel I says I, like ice cream, mice, I. Today's sentences also review the long vowel A, which is A, like ape, and a long vowel E that says E, like bee, and our I that says I. Okay? Our season is the summer, because we're talking about July, and where I live, it is hot and sunny. You could do your weather report. You choose one thing that describes the temperature. Is it hot swimming weather?
No.
Warm, which is pretty hot but not swimming weather?
Yeah.
Cool, where it's not cold, not freezing, but pretty cold, or cold freezing. So you choose one thing describes the weather and you color in the box above that, the next empty box, and then one thing that describes what it is the most. Is it the most rainy, windy, cloudy, where you can't see the sun, snowy, or sunny? And you color the box above that. One that says the temperature and one that says something that describes the weather the best. Okay, now we're going to do our 7 days of the week song. Ready? There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days a week. Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Haley, you want to do this? Today is Thursday. So you circle Thursday. Thursday. Good job. And if today's Thursday, what day was it yesterday? What comes before Thursday? Wait, you circle it here. On the next question.
Wednesday.
Right, Wednesday. And if today's Thursday, what day will it be tomorrow? What day is it tomorrow?
Friday.
Right. Good job. So it will look like this. Today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. Okay? Should look like that. Now we're going to move on to math. Let me get our worksheets. Haley, if you want, you can look here. If you have these, you read the numbers only in black. I just made a new one up here so it's easier to see. 2s are in green up here, and 5s are in black. If you have the papers, the numbers you read are in black. Haley, which one do you want to use? These are up here. I'll leave it for you. We're going to start by counting by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Now we're going to count by 5s. You can read it up here in black. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now we're going to count by 10s, and we're going to count all the way to 100. Are you ready? Wait for me, Haley.
40, 50, 60, 70,
Wait.
80, 90, 100.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job. We're going to do that now every day. We added 60 through 100. I'll do it one more time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job. And get those worksheets. So we have the counting by 2s, the counting by 5s, and we have the counting by 10 worksheet. And so you can practice these over and over again so you don't forget them. And we have these in 2s and 5s to print out to practice. Okay? So you can keep practicing those. And now we're talking about patterns for math. We're talking about AB patterns, ABB patterns, and ABC. So I'm going to start with our AB pattern. Our A is orange, our B is yellow. It's a circle and a triangle. So A, right? B, what comes next? Which one's A? Circle, triangle. You see that? Circle, triangle. That's AB. Now we're going to do AB with a green rectangle and a white rectangle. So AB, AB, AB. See that? Now we're going to switch to ABB. We still only need 2 things, but it's a different pattern. We're doing A and then 2 triangles.
A and 2
So I have A. What comes next? We're doing ABB. AB. What comes next? No, ABB. ABB. See that? ABB. Circle, triangle, triangle. Circle, triangle, triangle. That's ABB. Now let's try ABB here. A is green, B is white. Green, white, white. ABB. ABB. A. Right, ABB. Green, white, white. Green, white, white. That's ABB. Now we're going to try ABC. We need 3 different things for this pattern. Right? So I'm going to do orange circle. So I have circle, triangle, rectangle. A, circle, triangle. What comes next? Rectangle for an ABC pattern. Then it starts all over with A, circle. Okay? Then it would be triangle, rectangle. Right? Triangle, rectangle, circle, triangle, rectangle, circle, triangle, rectangle. Okay? That's A, B, C. We need 3 different things, and we keep repeating. Circle, triangle, rectangle, circle, triangle, rectangle. Now let's try it here with 3 different colors. So we have green, white, yellow. So how do I do it? Green. What comes next? Right, white. What comes next? Yellow. What comes next? What do I need next? Green. Oops. Green, white, and then it'd be yellow. Green, white, yellow. Green, white, yellow. Green, white, yellow. A, B, C. So this week we're practicing AB, ABB, and ABC patterns. Okay? Here's your worksheets. We have worksheets to practice AB patterns. Lots of them. Okay? You circle what comes next on these ones, and this one you draw what comes next. And these are all AB on these worksheets. Then we have worksheets on ABB patterns, and you circle what comes next. Then we have worksheets on ABC patterns, and you circle what comes next or draw what comes next. Okay? So that is what we're working on this week. Doing these worksheets on AB, ABB, or ABC patterns. On each worksheet, it's going to tell you what pattern it is so you know. Okay? It's an ABC pattern, so you know it's an ABC pattern. This week, it's going to tell you on each worksheet, and it's only going to have the same kind of pattern on each worksheet. So I want you to do that, the worksheets this week. Haley, please. And I also want you to either color your own AB pattern, ABB pattern, and ABC pattern, or, Haley, please, use stickers to make your own AB pattern. And I'll do the ABC pattern. You need 3 colors for ABC. So it would be blue, red, what is the next one? ABC. Yellow. Then it would repeat, blue. I'm just doing one of each to show you. This is AB, blue, red, ABB, blue, red, blue, red, red. You could do a note card for each individual pattern. This one's ABC, blue, red, yellow, blue, red, yellow. So you can use stickers, you can color your own pattern, you can use Play-Doh. For AB and ABB, you need 2 cookie cutters. For ABC, you need 3 cookie cutters. So those are ways to make your own pattern. So you can do the worksheets this week, please, and also make your own AB, ABB, and ABC pattern with coloring, Play-Doh, or stickers. Okay? You decide. Now we're moving on to science. Let me move this. It's just in the way. Haley, please get up. For science, we're talking about the parts of a bee. So what's this part? What are these called? That come out of the antennas. And then the middle of the bee is called the thorax. And the bottom of the bee is called the abdomen. And bees have wings, stingers, and heads. They have 3 parts to their bodies. They have a head part, a thorax, and an abdomen. So we have this worksheet for you. I'll show you. Where you cut these out and you glue them on the right parts. And the answers, there's an answer sheet for you too. Okay? That's the parts of a bee. Okay. Now I'm going to talk about pollination. This is our bee, and I'm going to, let me get some cotton balls. I'm going to put some pollen on my first flower to start. Okay, here's my pollen. And here's my bee. So the way pollination works is the bee is coming to the flower to try to drink the nectar. The nectar is this sweet, sugary drink that the bees find in flowers. So it comes here to drink the nectar, right? Oh, and it gets pollen on its tummy. And it takes this pollen to this plant, to this plant, and to this plant. It's kind of hard to see. I didn't get enough pollen. To this plant, to this plant, and to this plant. And it also gets the pollen while it's drinking here. This flower's pollen on its tummy too, so it's spreading everybody's pollen everywhere as it's buzzing around trying to drink the nectar. That's how pollination works. And the reason why pollination is important is because the bee is spreading the pollen from all the flowers to different flowers. That's how the flowers make seeds. And we need seeds, right, to make new plants. So it's very important to us. That's pollination. When bees take pollen to flowers, which makes flowers produce seed, right? It takes the pollen from other flowers to other flowers, so we can get seeds. Bees live and build this amazing beehive, right? And it's made out of beeswax. And in their wax, these little hexagon shapes, they store their honey. So we also like to eat honey, right? It's very sweet. We eat it in candies, we eat it in tea. And we also like their beeswax, right? We use it for candles, we use it for lip gloss, we use it in lotions, all sorts of stuff. We use the wax. So it's another way that bees are important to people. So here's a worksheet about that. You cut out the 3 of the ways that bees are important: seeds, candles, honey, and you paste them there. Yeah. And then on this page, you write a sentence, something you learned. I learned, what did you learn, Haley? I learned that, right? You stretch out your sounds, that, space after that. Bees have, after bees another space. Every word you need to put a space, right? Bees have, space, a, space, inger, right? I try to stretch out my sound so I can hear them, and then when I write it, I only write it as one word, but I stretch it out so I can hear all the sounds in the word. So that's a good way to sound out words, is stretch out the sounds so you can hear them, but when you write them, you only write them as one word, and after each word, make sure you put a space. It's really important, or nobody can read what you wrote. At the end, put a period. So you can try your sentence. And now we're going to move to language arts. Haley, please. Haley, can you help me sing this song? We're going to sing the vowel song. You have to stand over here so they can see. We'll start with A. One, we're going to sing it together. 1, 2, 3. A is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. A is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. E is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. E is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. Can you get up? I is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. I is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. O is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. O is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. U is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. U is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. Those are our vowels, our vowels, our vowels. Those are our vowels, A-E-I-O-U. Haley, can you please stand up? That's not very nice to lay there so people can't see. Thank you. Now we're going to sing our vowel, consonant, vowel song because we haven't sung it in a while and we don't want to forget it. And our long vowel we're going to sing about is I. Vowel, consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant, vowel. The first vowel says its name, I. The second vowel says nothing. So in long vowel words, you're either going to see vowel, consonant, vowel, vowel, or vowel, vowel, consonant. I'll say it again. Vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, vowel, right? Where they're next to each other. Or where they're next to each other, vowel, vowel, and then a consonant. Those three ways you'll see, and all those three ways, the first vowel is going to say its name, and the second vowel is going to say nothing at all. And which letters are our vowels? A, E, I, O, and U. Okay? Now let's read our sentence. It's a hard one today. Okay. Haley, please get up. I don't want you laying there. Thank you. So our sight words are, they can't see if you lay there. Our sight words are and, a, to. Oh, please don't do that. You're moving it. So you can have an adult print this sentence and you underline and, a, and to. Please get up. This is the last time I'm asking you, and then I'm going to ask you to go upstairs. And, a, and to. Okay, those are our sight words. Now I'm going to circle our phonics words. Oops, I missed an and. We have this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one.
Can I circle?
Okay, and a couple.
Can I circle?
I just circled. You can help me read it. And a couple things to remember is in ice words, the C says what sound? Do you remember? What does the C say? S sound, right? And when Y ends a word, sometimes it makes what sound? Sometimes it says I. I already circled it, Bubba. Okay, now we're going to read it. Don't forget, this says ice. I, dice. And I. Y says I. I. Dice and guy. Say this first. Eat. Dice and guy meet. Ate. Right? That says nothing. Ate. Kate. And, we have to say this blend. How do you say G and L together? Glee. Glee. To. Flew. This says I. Fly. Ite. That's a hard one. I know. Let's read it again. Dice and Guy meet Kate and Glee to fly a kite. One more time. Dice and Guy meet Kate and Glee to fly a kite. You can reread this sentence as many times as it takes till you understand it. Please stop and sound out these ice words, right? Y at the end of the word that says I, guy and fly. We have our long vowel E. We have our long vowel A. We have our long vowel I. All in one sentence. It's a good sentence to keep practicing because it's a good review. Y saying I, ice words, long vowel A, E, and I. Okay? Again, we're in the long vowel I chapter. Okay, so you could read that and watch your long vowel I shows. Please practice your sight words. Work on your B, parts of the body, and ways B's help us and give us things, right? And your patterns. There's AB patterns, ABB, ABC, and try to make your own AB, ABB, and ABC pattern. So if you do it yourself, it helps you understand it better. So if you draw it, or you use stickers, or you use Play-Doh, or you use counters or pom-poms to show each pattern, you actually will understand it better. So I'm encouraging you to try each of those three patterns this week, as well as your B stuff and long vowel I and sight words. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.